Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to trade gold on Bybit. Let's get started. First, open the Bybit app or website and log in to your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and complete the KYC verification. And once logged in, go to the Asset tab and tap Deposit. You can fund your account using USDT, USDC, or BTC by transferring crypto from your wallet to another exchange. Next, go to Derivatives or Spot section, depending on how you want to trade. And here in the search bar, type XAUUSD. This is the gold trading pair on Bybit. You can set your trade also. Just choose your leverage level and enter the amount that you want to trade. And to manage risk, you can also set a stop loss and take profit. And click buy or long if you think that the gold will go up, or sell or short if you expect it to drop. You can monitor your trade under the positions tab and close it anytime. And that's how you trade gold on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.